Hey pool enthusiasts! Today we're diving into the Dolphin 2025 model Explorer E30, a next-gen robotic pool vacuum designed to make your pool cleaning effortless. With Wi-Fi connectivity, wall climbing capabilities, and a Waterline scrubber brush, it's perfect for in-ground pools up to 50 feet long. Let's see why this could be your ultimate pool cleaning solution. The Dolphin Explorer E30 is built for performance and convenience. It comes with an intuitive design, advanced cleaning brushes, and smart navigation technology, making it ideal for large in-ground pools. Plus, the Wi-Fi connectivity lets you control and monitor your cleaner from anywhere using your smartphone. Wall climbing and Waterline scrubber brush effectively cleans floors, walls, and the waterline to remove dirt, algae, and grime. Wi-Fi app control. Schedule cleanings, monitor progress, and control your pool robot directly from your phone, even remotely. Smart navigation and efficient path planning. Advanced sensors and algorithms ensure your pool is cleaned systematically without missed spots or repeated paths. Easy access filter basket. Top-load filter basket makes emptying and rinsing quick and hassle-free. Energy-efficient design. Runs quietly and efficiently, reducing energy consumption while still delivering thorough cleaning coverage. Comprehensive cleaning, floors, walls, and waterline in one go. Wi-Fi app control, total convenience from anywhere. Ideal for large pools, supports up to 50 feet in length efficiently. Higher price point, it's a premium model, so it costs more. Slightly heavier than smaller models, but manageable thanks to its handles. Overall, the Dolphin 2025 model Explorer E30 is one of the most advanced and convenient robotic pool cleaners on the market. It combines smart technology, thorough cleaning, and Wi-Fi control, perfect for large in-ground pools. Grab yours now on Amazon using the link below. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more smart pool tech reviews. Let the Dolphin Explorer E30 keep your pool sparkling while you relax.